Welcome to 31 Kilkenny in Brookdale. Elevated position on the street and a secure entrance. Bedroom number 1 with an ensuite bathroom with a separate toilet and separate bath and shower. Double car garage. Open plan living space and kitchen with a gas cooktop and stone bench top. Home theatre space, currently used as a bedroom. Laundry, toilet, and the shared bathroom. Bedroom here, and another bedroom too. Stepping out to the backyard, really nice outdoor patio space. Solar panels on the roof. Great outdoor entertaining area. Little garden shed.